Yo, what is up everybody? Before I start this video, I would like to thank each and every one of you guys for all your support in the last like 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks now. My last two videos, you guys showed so much love and support, and we are almost at 2,000 subscribers, which is a milestone to me. I didn't think that I would get near there after I stopped uploading 2 years ago. Also, my Discord server released like a week ago. If you guys want to join, link is in the description and on screen. But anyways, let's get into the video. So, as you've seen from the title, we will be testing 10 fake Roblox executors, see what they do, and let's begin. We're gonna go to Chrome, of course. Let's search free Roblox executors like usual. And Xeno
Yo
executor.
guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and use the Xeno after Roblox is up.
Yeah. OMGX, yup. Nice link. I like this already, guys. This executor definitely is gonna work. Let's see the comments. Yeah. Come on. Let me download. Okay, we got it, guys. It's lagging. Let's go ahead and throw this into VirusTotal. So let's go extract it. We're in WinRAR. Let's open up this and let's go throw this into VirusTotal. Xeno. Throw it in there. File distributed by Microsoft. What? Wait. So, are you kidding me? We can't be serious right now. There's no way that just happens. It doesn't like scan or anything, just because it's verified by Microsoft. I guess, whatever guys. Let's run this. Run it as administrator. Let's run our executor. Microsoft Defender found threats. Trojan. Yeah, we don't care. Yeah. Microsoft Defender sublined us. Allow device. Actually, no. Forget this. Forget that entire notification. We're just gonna go disable this garbage. Let's just go. Continue searching for executors. I'm gonna do that. Let's go to the. I think we've seen this website before in a previous video, guys. Okay. Features keyless execution, built-in script hub, fast attach, multi-game support, regular post-patch updates. Yes, download. We can also throw that into VirusTotal after we extract it. Here we have the extracted folder. Now we can go ahead and open this up. And there should, there's the executor. Let's go back to VirusTotal. Let's go ahead, throw it in there. Came clean, So be obfuscated or something. But let's go ahead and run it as administrator. Git for Windows. What is it? It opened up a console window, guys. This is probably like a rat or something. Or I wonder what it's doing. Let's go open Process Explorer up. Go check out what it's doing. See if we can. What was that? Okay, the malware's running in the background. Git for Windows, the Git development. And then I think this is also a part of the virus. Wait, no. I don't know. I actually don't know. Let's go ahead and download some more free executors. Come on. This will be our third executor. Download. Click to download. Yes. Media file link. Go. Download. Download the executor. Okay, we got the folder. Let's go. This is executor. I forgot to not close the VirusTotal tab. Let's go ahead and throw this into VirusTotal. Oh my gosh, guys! Mod menu.exe. File rep malware / wingo. Backdoor wingo.crypt. Yeah, it's a backdoor, guys. Shellcode runner. Who knows, guys? It's definitely safe. Well, let's go ahead and run it. Windows protecting your PC. Run it away. And we just got ratted again. Nothing happens. That's always happens. And then look, it's running back. It just closed itself. But anyways, let's go find some more free Roblox executors. Also, guys, this is not. I don't really use Process Explorer a lot, so if I'm missing anything, let me know in the comments because I don't really know what I'm doing with this. But yeah, I noticed like Task Manager. Oh, look at this, guys. GTA 5. This is not a Roblox executor. But why don't we install it? I know we're going off topic, but hey, who cares? We can have Roblox cheats and we could have GTA 5 cheats. Even though GTA 6 is about to come out. Let's extract it and go throw it into Virus Total. Wait, guys, it's the same detections as that previous one, I think. This actually might be the same thing. The same virus we just downloaded and ran earlier. Run anyway. We got ratted again. Microsoft Defender found threats. Nobody asked you to come on Microsoft Defender. Get off. Get out of here. Time to search for more.
Hey, what's up? In today's video...
Oh, yup. Yup, guys, let's go to their website. Download. This is the executor. Nice. 50,000 plus active users, 1 million scripts plus scripts executed, 99.9% runtime, 24/7 support. README file right here. How to use? Yep. Okay, let's throw this one into Virus Total as well. Probably another spy. Oh, this thing. Let's go run it, guys. Run it as administrator. We got ratted again. Anyways, go search for more. It's like, that was what? Alright, I lost track. Was that our 5th or 6th executor? Let's go see. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was our 5th one. 5 more to go, guys. Look, guys, we found another one. Full ticks. Download. Download. Copy password. Then we're gonna go, of course, extract it. We're gonna throw this into Virus Total as well. Wait. I almost ran it, guys. Before we do it into Virus Total, let's go. This is really malicious. 24 detections. A lot of generic detections. Like the other ones. Let's go ahead and run it. Voltix. Want to protect your PC? Run anyway. Voltix is running in the background, guys. No executor. Let's go search for more.
Hi everyone, I'm sure each of you has tried to get started. Go to the web.
You know what I forgot, guys? I forgot to create a burner account on Roblox to see if my account would get hacked. So I'm gonna do that real quick before we execute this other malware I just found. Here we're gonna save the password to the device. Sign up. We are official for Roblox account, guys. Now let's go and get this cheat. Download for Windows. Alright. We got it. And we're gonna go throw this into Virus Total as well. Trojan. Interesting. Well, let's go run this exe. Or whatever. Like, run anyway. No executor yet, guys. It's just, oh, there we go. Yes. Check Process Explorer. You say 1.3.exe is running in the background. I don't see any installer popping up or nothing. No executor, no nothing. So you know what? We're gonna move on to the next one. Oh, would you look at that, guys? They have a bunch of executors on this website that are all viruses, rats, all types of stuff. Let's get their Xeno executor. Dangerous site. Attacking on the site you tried visiting might trick you into installing harmful. Yeah, we don't care. We're getting our executor, yo. Okay, we're gonna go extract this one too, and we're gonna throw this one into Virus Total as well. Very malicious. 43 out of 70 detections. But let's run it. Malicious file. This application may cause damage to your device. Sensitive personal data may also be at risk. Run anyway. Yes. Microsoft Defender found threats. We do not care. Oh yeah, would you look at
Good
this,
afternoon, everyone.
guys? Xeno that, yep, Xeno Executor. Let's go. Throw this into virus total. Wait, this might be legit. Oh no, never mind, guys. Never mind, bro. Look at all these detections we just got. Stealer, backdoor, generic detections. Oh yeah. Let's run it. Run Xeno. Run anyway. Nothing happens, of course. Cause it's a virus. We have so many things running right now, guys. So many viruses are running. Our system is so infected right now. PowerShell, look at that. It just opened. Wait, this is not real. This is fake. This is a virus. This is the virus just spawned. This is not real. This is not a part of the system. It's executing commands, I think. Wait, let's go over here. Oh shoot, guys. This is actually opening. It just took us to their Discord. Wait, was that real? Wait, I'm confused now, guys. Was that real Xeno or was that fake? I don't even know anymore. That's definitely, I think it's a virus. Let's go find some more executors. Oh yeah. Let's get this. Oh yeah, it's clean. Totally, guys. We got the bootstrapper. Alright. You know what we're about to do. Throw this into virus total. Go ahead. That, okay. I'm pretty sure this is our 10th virus now, guys. So, let's go. Run it. And it is not doing anything. That was the 10th. I think that was our 10th executor, guys. So we're, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, that was it. We ran 10 fake executors. I'm gonna do a Malwarebytes scan. But before that, let's check Process Explorer. Services. This is the, I'm pretty sure this is part of the virus. Let's see, did our account get hacked yet? Nope. Probably is gonna get hacked in like a day, a few hours maybe. Okay, now let's go do our Malwarebytes scan. Just hurry up, scan. Okay guys, I just opened up Process Monitor. It's my first time actually using this right here. I use Process Explorer and obviously Task Manager. It's not my first time using Process Explorer, but this is my first time using Process Monitor. So I don't understand, really, but let me know if you guys see anything I'm missing right now. There seems to be a lot of Explorer stuff. One detection. Let's see. See, I told you guys. Wait, let's go there right now. See, guys, I told you that this was a virus. I told you that this was the virus and that we were seeing in Process Explorer. Look, Xeno dropped something. I think this is for registry changes or something like that, so it could have persistence and survive reboots when I reboot my system. And then what is this? Another one? Are these like for collecting data? I don't know. Those files. Okay, the scan was complete. Let's also little check roaming. Yep. Oh, yep. What is this? A local state. What is this? Xeno. Xeno made something too. Network cookies. Wait, what? Network data. Oh my goodness, guys. We got 15 detections. Okay, it's a lot of injectors and loaders and trojans. Alright guys, so there's one more thing I wanted to show you before I ended off this video. It's this. Apparently this is supposed to like just completely destroy your computer, and I wanted to see if that's true. But before we do, let's go put it in virus total real quick. Okay. Alright guys, so it's been analyzing for like a few seconds, and this right here is standing out to me. Win64/killdisk.b Trojan. Let's go put this into Google, see what this is. Kill disk. That sounds just like it's gonna like, they're definitely gonna destroy the computer. Oh, is a highly destructive Trojan and disk wiping malware accessed by wiping the master boot record and overwriting crucial files or data sectors with zeros. Often linked to targeted cyber attacks, it aims to render systems permanently unbootable to disrupt operations. This is a specific malware family used by ESET, and it was scanned by ESET. We got one more detection, just a generic. Oh yeah, bro, we gotta run this. We gotta see this. Check this out. Why are we running as administrator? Alright, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Oh my gosh, we ran it. What? Initializing Xylos V12. Overkill. What the? Wiping user. What the? Yo, the computer's getting absolutely bamboozled right now. Hey, yo, guys, my caps lock key is like flashing. It's like spamming it or something. I don't know what it's doing. You can see right here. Look, what the heck? What the heck is opening so many Notepad Oh my goodness, guys. Yo, it's destroying everything. It's actually destroying everything. What is that sound? You can't escape? Haha. Rebooting in 1. 0x0 is over. You can't escape. System failure, critical error. You can't escape. What did I just run? What did I just run, guys? What the heck did I just run on my computer? What did I just run? It's just destroying it. Like, it's opening so many notepads and everything. Can I open Task Manager? I can't even open Task Manager. Nothing's working. Nothing's working. What do I do? Nothing is working, bro. It's just completely destroying everything. What the heck? Can I restart? Can I restart? It probably already destroyed everything in the master boot records, volume boot. It's destroyed everything already, probably. I'm not even gonna try. Oh yeah, we're done. We're done. Well, guys, that'll be it for today's video. If you would like to see more, drop a like, subscribe, comment any suggestions. What would you like to see? For example, free Roblox malware, Fortnite cheats, GTA cheats, viruses. What would you like to see next? Just let me know in the comment section. And that will be it for today's video. Goodbye, everyone. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this off the computer. Peace.